Hi, I'm Jacqueline from Website Builder Expert, and I'm here today to show you Jimdo and its new templates that have come out. So here we are on the Jimdo website, and they've done some recent updates on their templates, which are looking pretty snazzy. So let's have a little look-see. We're going to go to Inspiration, and here we've got all different types of Jimdo templates. So we've got some for businesses selling products, for services, all kinds. And let's just have a little look, see what they've got going on. So here they've got all different types of niches as well. You've got athletics, you've got a bit of everything really. You've got drinks, you've got bikes, you've got food and bags. So it's got quite a nice range, and they're quite modern feeling. I especially like the clean, crisp look of the very first one. So just to show you a little bit more, we're going to go into the preview, and here is the preview for the ceramics, and it's just very clean, crisp, and I just really like the product as well. I think they're really pretty. So to delve into a little bit more of what Jimdo does, let's go and create our own one. So what Jimdo now does is asks you a group of questions. So coding or no coding. So I'm going to go no coding. Are you a single individual or a group of people? We're going to go single for this. And then, so projects, is it a hobby? Is the website for a project that you would like to turn into a business, or a business that's already established? Let's go a project that we would like to become a business. And so what is the name of your business? So let's move me aside. And here we go. So I'm going to make up a healthy glow foods company. It would be a healthy nutrition company. And then what it comes up with is Maps has this neat thing of saying, is this you? Is this your business? And it shows up here as all the different businesses that might be related to you, or if you are already on Google Maps, then you might pop up here. So that's really handy. But we don't have a real business, so I don't see my profile here. What is your business category? Let's say healthy food restaurant. There we go. What are the goals for your website? So let's say for this, we're going to promote a physical business. Go for it. And then you can collect photos from your Facebook or your Instagram. So if you've already got photos of your healthy food or your product or your service, you can just upload those straight there. And what is your website about? So let's say nutrition. Then it offers you some styles. What style would you like? Minimal, fresh? I think let's go with minimal. And then it comes up with color schemes that you might like. So for our natural food, nutrition-y, healthy website, let's go with those two. And what pages does your website need? So this is really handy. So it gives you all the different pages that you might need. We're going to say prices, we're going to say about me, contact, and it gives you 3 options. So maybe services, contact, and prices. Let's go. So then it gives you these 2 options for a template, and it's done that automatically for you. You've just had to answer those questions that you've just seen, and then you get to pick which style you prefer. So I think we'll go with this one. So here, take your site to the next level with a personalized domain. So you can already, it's giving you options for domain names, and it gives you quite a few. But for the purpose of this, we will skip this step. So let's go here, and then you've got your website ready to go, and you can go in and edit. If you want to change the writing, you can just go in and change it to your slogan. Be flow. And you can, have fun changing the images, getting your images in there, adding your social media to it, and that's everything that Jimdo can offer. We hope this has helped. Have a great day, and if you need more information and tips, don't forget to check out websitebuilderexpert.com. And if you have any questions as well, just leave us a comment and we'll do our best to help. Take care.